This is Project Blade Runner, an ECD custom Defender 110 crew cab built to our client's exact specifications. This project is painted in full gloss Aston Martin magnetic silver. Project Blade Runner sits on 20-inch Carn Retro Mondial wheels with Pirelli Scorpion all-terrain tyres. This Defender 110 crew cab features a frontal cage and Bison roll bar in the rear, tubular A-bar front bumper with worn winch, Hella 50-inch slim light bar in the front and 2 mini bars in the rear. On the inside, Project Blade Runner features a Momo Quark steering wheel with all American tradition gauges, Corbeau Trailcats front and mid-row seats. Blade Runner features a lockable storage and toolboxes in the cargo area. Each seat is wrapped in single vertical diamond Garrett Torino caviar leather stitched together in blue. Blade Runner is powered by our GM 6.2 litre V8 LT 1500 horsepower engine with 10-speed auto transmission. This Defender 110 crew cab also features an array of modern elements such as Alpine touchscreen stereo with focal premium sound, Apple CarPlay, rear AC and access to USB connection.